Hey, what is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall any program properly on Windows 11. This method will also work for Windows 10. You just have to install a program. I know it's kind of counterintuitive to install a program to uninstall a program, but this program is free and it will help you remove all of the unnecessary files that most programs leave behind when you uninstall a program, unfortunately. So all you got to do is go to your browser. Any browser of choice works. Look up Revo uninstaller, and then go to the first link that pops up. You don't have to buy it, it's free. You can just click free download here. Revo uninstaller free, click free download. Then you can go ahead and double click the installer. Click yes. Go ahead and close out of our browser. We're going to click OK. Click accept the license agreement. Click next, and then it'll create a desktop shortcut, and then you can click install. It's going to say launch Revo installer for that little checkbox. Click finish, and then you'll get a window that pops up. We're going to close out of that. We're going to make this a little bit smaller. Unfortunately, it is a white mode or like a light mode. But to uninstall a program, all you have to do is find the program you want to uninstall. So for example, I want to uninstall Vivaldi. Going to right click on it, click uninstall, click continue. Going to ask if I want to uninstall it. You can check this box for also deleting your browsing data. Click uninstall, and then once it's done, you can go ahead and click advanced here, and what this is going to do is it's going to scan for all the files that Vivaldi left behind. You can see we've got quite a few files that it leaves behind. This doesn't take up a whole lot of space, but over time this will build up, so doing this will keep your system much cleaner and a little more organized in terms of files that it doesn't need. You can just go ahead and click select all, delete, click yes. Same for these PF files, select all, delete, click yes, and then you're done. It uninstalled the program and it didn't leave any of that bloat behind, basically. If you guys want to download this uninstalling tool, it'll be in the description below. This video is not sponsored in any way, but it is a program I use day to day, especially in my IT job. So if you guys could share this, get it out there, that would be amazing. That would support the channel quite a bit. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if that it sucked. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, and peace out.